Hi, and welcome to another ballet tutorial. Today, we're going to learn a petite allegro with Miss Katie.
Hi guys! We're going to learn petite allegro. Do you know what that means?
What does that mean?
Small jumps. Very small. Nothing crazy big. Very small. All right, so let's spread out and find some space. Perfect. Let's put our hands on our hips just to start so we learn our feet. We're going to put our feet in our first position. Just a reminder. Heels together, toes out wide, that favorite slice of cake in between your feet. We're going to plie, make that diamond position. We're going to jump straight up in the air, point your toes, straight legs like popsicle sticks. Ready? 1, 2, 3, jump down. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and add our arms. We're going to put our arms in low fifth. Same thing. Let's do 4 in a row. We go. Plie. We jump 1, jump 2, jump 3, jump 4. Amazing. Let's learn the next one. What do you say?
Let's do it.
All right. Feet in second position. So nice wide feet like there's a puddle. Don't want to put your feet in the puddle. Not at all. Let's put our arms in second position like a big airplane. Same thing. We're going to bend our knees down. Plie, jumping straight up in the air, pointing our toes, keep your knees nice and straight. Let's try it. We go, jumping up, up, down. Beautiful. Let's do 4 in a row.
Let's do it.
We go, plie, jump. 1, jump. 2, jump. 3, jump. 4.
Wow.
Beautiful.
What if you feel like falling back? What do you think we should do?
Oh my goodness, we have to keep our tummy nice and tight.
Good idea.
Oh, yes. All right, should we learn a bonus step?
Bonus move.
Bonus. Okay, we're going to start again. First position, arms in low fifth. This one's called échappé. Can you say it with me? Échappé. Perfect. We're going to jump to second position first. Ready? 3, 2, 1, plie. Jump second. Beautiful. From here, we're going to jump right back to first position. 3, 2, 1. Back to first. Beautiful. All together, let's try it 4 times. Ready? We go. Plie. We go. Open. Second jump. First. Again. Second jump. First. 2 more. Second jump. First. Last one. Second jump. First. Wow, great job. That was great.
Oh, I love jumping. Did you guys have fun? Awesome. Let's try that with some music.
All right. Ready, set, here we go. Plie, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second. 1, 2, 3, 4. Échappé. In, jumping out. In, jumping out. 2 more. Échappé. Échappé. Jump back to first. Great job, everybody.
Good job.